Hey guys, my name is Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start listening video without having any further delay. So basically, this video is going to be a routine of 4th August 2025, and today is Monday. Also, continuously shooting the day of 607th days of routine video. So let's start. Basically, today, first of all, I woke up. Then after that, I washed my mouth. Then after that, I studied. Then after that, I ate food. Then basically, basically I studied. Then after some time later, me and my sister went to the laptop mechanic shop and gave him laptop for repair. Then after that we came home. Then after that I talked to my mother and I talked to my father. Then after some time later I ate food and I went for the sleep, right? So after some time later, basically I woke up and net started working. Then after that I studied, and at the time of evening I ate food, and after some time later I went for the sleep. So basically, guys, this is the thing what is actually happened in my today's routine video. I hope you have really understood this video. If you have really understood this video, then kindly please like it, because whenever you like the videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a very continuous manner. So basically, one thing I just really want to say to you that today I wrote two announcements, right? What I will do while shooting video, right? So let me brought out. Basically, I wrote that already. So two announcement. So basically the first announcement is what tax in Hindi I have written it here, that is टैक्सेशन जैसे सब्जेक्ट को वीडियो शूटिंग के वक्त वन शॉट चैप्टर रिवीजन प्लस लर्न प्लस क्वेश्चन सॉल्विंग करेंगे, सो दैट फोकस बने रहे और ध्यान ना भटके। भले वीडियो 4 to 10 4 से 10 घंटा का भी क्यों ना हो, राइट आफ्टर द प्रिंट आउट के। So basically I have decided that here is written, let me read again. टैक्सेशन जैसे सब्जेक्ट को वीडियो शूटिंग के वक्त वन शॉट चैप्टर रिवीजन प्लस लर्न प्लस क्वेश्चन सॉल्व भी करेंगे, सो दैट फोकस बने रहे, राइट। सो जस्ट ए सेकेंड गाइस, और ध्यान ना भटके भले वीडियो 4 से 10 घंटा का भी क्यों ना हो। सो बेसिकली आफ्टर completing all the pending days of routine videos, when I reach to the present days of routine video, what I can do while shooting the video, so like taxation subject, so I would like to do one short revision for the chapter, for whole revision plus learning plus question solving. Even the video's length can be go up to the 4 hours or 10 hours, then that will not matter, so that my chapter will be complete. This is the first announcement I wanted to tell you. The second announcement is what most important for English, right? As I wanted to told you that from the last so many days of routine video, I am not taking necessary extra regarding my English speaking skills. I am not adding some extra efforts, right? So just because of this there are so much efforts I'm gonna to do it. So most important for English plus study improvement, right? If the second announcement will help me to improve my English as well as study improvement, right? So in Hindi I have written it here, that is वीडियो शूट करते वक्त आफ्टर टेलिंग रूटीन केवल क्वेश्चंस पढ़ना है, पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड, केवल क्वेश्चन पढ़ना है, सॉल्व नहीं करना। केवल क्वेश्चन पढ़ के 100% सेटिस्फैक्शन या सेटिस्फाइड या फुल्ली अंडरस्टूड द प्रोसेस ऑफ सॉल्यूशन का स्टेप समझना है, क्वेश्चन समझना है खाली। इससे इंग्लिश भी इम्प्रूव होगा और क्वेश्चन अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी डेवलप होगा। फॉर कॉस्टिंग, फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग, लॉ and taxation and etc. There are subjects, so basically that's the thing what is actually I want to share you to understand the word game, right? To understand the word game, so this will help. So let me show you, right? So here is the note one what I had wrote. and here is the not to prototype road. So yes guys, that's the thing what actually I want to say. So let's start. This is all what is actually happened now. All the remaining portion of the allowances I would like to cover. So basic salary fully taxable, fee fully taxable, commission fully taxable whether turnover or monthly basis, bonus fully taxable on receipt basis, dearness allowances or dearness pay already discussed, HRA already discussed. Children education allowance discussed, children hostel allowance discussed, entertainment allowance discussed, medical allowance fully taxable, conveyance allowances in Hindi I have written it here, जितना spend करोगे उतना exempt होगा. Okay, city compensatory allowances fully taxable, uniform allowances here I have written जितना spend करोगे उतना exempt होगा. Professional development allowances, academic allowance, research allowance, daily allowance, travel और transfer allowance, helper और assistant allowance, जितना spend करोगे उतना spend होगा. In Hindi I have written it here. Now 13 transport allowances discuss, other allowances, allowances allowed to transport employees, truck drivers allowances given to employee working in any transport system to meet his personal expenditure. Minimum of the following shall be exempted: 70% of allowance, 10,000 rupees per month. No exemption if employees are also in receipt of daily allowance. And 115 BAC. Tiffin allowance, servant allowance, non-participating allowances, warden or proctor allowances, deputation allowances fully taxable. Okay. Foreign allowances section 10 subsection 7 wholly exempt. Any allowance or perquisite paid or allowed outside India by the government to an Indian citizen for rendering services outside India is wholly exempt from tax. Residual allowance wholly exempt. Allowance to Supreme High Court judges, allowance received from UNO United Nations organizations, sumptuary allowance to maintain the status dignity of high official posts, member of SAARC, UPSC, etc. Right, so this is the thing what is actually happened. So yes guys, this is all what is actually allowances topic what we have discussed, right? So basically salary as per section 15 to 17, in salary chapter what we have to do is study, that is employee employers relationship bound to work. Salary, what is salary? Now allowances, monetary payment, fully taxable, partly taxable, fully exempt allowances, HRA, children education, hostel allowances, transport allowances. This is all what we have discussed. Now the turn came of perquisites, right? Perquisites, that is RFA, motor car, ESOPs, medical facility, movable assets, leave, travel concession, right? So this is all what is actually is all here about, right? And then after that we will study the retirement benefits, and after that deduction, standard deduction, potential protectional tax, entertainment allowances. These all are what we have to study, right? So the questions of practical questions I would like to discuss to the offline mode of, so that right, of the practical questions. So perquisites I would like to start from the upcoming videos, but before that I would like to discuss before that I will complete all the, before discussing the perquisite I would like to complete all the questions till allowances as per this book's chapter, right? So yes guys, this is all. what is actually I wanna talk it about, right? And also this video is about the routine of day 607, days of routine video, day 607. So basically, um, 607 divided by 30, I'm taking average month days is 30, so around 20.23 months we have completed by included this video, maybe, I think so, right? So, or if I can say 24, so 3.76 months are or more remaining, around 113 days. So 607 plus 113 days, 620 days in a 2 year, right? But 365 multiplied by 2, 730 days are in 2 years. Maybe there is some kind of default, right? But not in a default of continuously shooting the video, that is continuously running from the day 1 to day 607. Yeah, maybe sometimes, not maybe, I sometimes skip this some days of reading video, but whenever I start the shooting the video, firstly I shoot the skip days shooting video, then after that I shoot the present days of reading video, so there is no chance of skipping any video. So this is all guys what is actually happening. So I think it is all enough for today guys, so let's end the video guys. See you, bye bye.